It's a new year and it's a great time to cleanse your crystals. I just spent New Year's cleansing mine and I'm about to put them all back. But first, I thought I'd show you a little bit about how I do it at home. So I like to start by getting a big bowl of clean, purified water. And then I just take all my crystals and I put them nearby. And then I dunk them into the bowl while saying an affirmation. When I first started collecting crystals, I only had a few small handfuls of tumbled stones. So I used to actually take them to the bathroom and hold them under running water. But now I use 1 or 2 big bowls of cleansed and purified water, and I just take them by the handful, my tumbled stones, and I just dunk them once or twice while saying an affirmation into that clean water, and then I lay them out to dry on a towel. Now, I do like to sometimes put them in a nice arrangement. As you can see here, I have them in kind of a grid form, and that's just kind of fun. You don't have to do that, but I do enjoy kind of making a fun creative project out of laying my crystals out. Now that I have all my crystals cleansed and air dried here on my towel, I'm going to take some sage and I will waft it over the crystals while stating an affirmation. You can do something simple like cleansed and clear, may only good remain right here, or may these crystals be cleansed of any negative energies, and may only good energies and positive energies remain. And I'm going to be doing a time lapse of me actually putting the crystals all back in their homes. So I hope you enjoy. These right here are my favorite crystals to lay on the body. This year, I positioned them much closer to the ground so that I can access them after I do yoga. And I repositioned my yoga mat so I'd have a fresh perspective.